So it seems to me Diwali and Christmas came early this year because the Apple Store opened day before yesterday and I already have the first product with me here. So this is the Magic Keyboard for the 12.9 iPad Pro, and I'm really excited to open this, and it was actually delivered this afternoon, but I've been working on another video so didn't get a chance to unbox this. So without wasting further time, let's get straight into it. Now I know that people watching in the West will think that this is some 5 months too late, but thanks to the pandemic, the availability of this keyboard has been patchy at best in India, and it's only now that the Apple Store has opened that it's freely available, and it was ordered on the 23rd and today is the 25th, so they delivered it within a couple of days. And this is the American style keyboard, so this is the US English version. There is no option to order the British English version, unfortunately. I would have preferred the British English version if I could get my hands on it, but that option was not there. And there you have it. Right inside that, nicely packaged, we get the iPad Magic Keyboard, as you can see. Here's the box, and it's out of the bag as we speak. And it was packed in June 2020, so it's about 3 months old. It's been languishing somewhere in the middle India region since then. So anyway, let's open it for the first time. There is, as usual, a nice tab here that you can pull to open it, so there is no need for scissors. And just like that, and that enables you to get inside the Magic Keyboard, just like that. And it clearly shows here that this is for the 12.9-inch 3rd and 4th generation. I'm actually going to be using this with the 2018, the 3rd generation of iPad Pro. Lift the box out, and there you go. For the first time, it's been revealed, the Magic Keyboard for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. Again, you get this nice tab, and there's nothing else in the box, so it's simply the Magic Keyboard as was expected. And then you have some more packaging here, and I lay my hands finally on the Magic Keyboard 12.9 iPad Pro. The hinge appears to be quite strong, and they have some packaging in here. So let's just keep this aside for a second. Just checking out what else you get in here. Looks like there's just some documentation here. I would expect there to be some stickers perhaps. It's just a quick start guide just to help you get started with this. Okay, then there's some regulatory information, but really no other stickers or anything like that you get with other Apple products. It's quite an expensive product, this. $349 in the US, and in India it costs 31,900 rupees, although they have an offer at the moment wherein you can get it for about 30,000 rupees. Good savings. Normally you don't get any discounts on Apple products, at least when they're new. So here is the keyboard itself. The hinge is really strong. You have this little USB Type-C connection right here. This is only for charging, and then you have the scissor switch mechanism keyboard. So let's put the iPad onto this now. So we have to bend it like that, And here is the iPad Pro 2018. Goes right on and looks brilliant. So these are the angles, you can adjust it. That's actually quite a good angle of adjustment that's possible with this, because previously I was using the Smart Folio, the Smart Keyboard Folio, and that was really limited in terms of the angles it offered. And then I suppose Face ID should work straight away. Yep, it does. And we're straight into the iPad. It is certainly heavier than the Smart Keyboard Folio, but that's to be expected. We've all seen enough reviews where there's talk about how the iPad needs to be kept stable, and for them to be able to do that, the actual case needed to be heavier than the iPad Pro, and that's what it is, it seems. And so I will use it. I'll enjoy using this for some time. Let's try and close this. Okay. When it's closed, it's pretty much similar to the iPad Pro, the Smart Keyboard Folio. As you can see here, this cutout is a bit bigger than what the 2018 iPad Pro really needs, because it's designed for the 2020 iPad Pro. But I mean, it doesn't really affect me. I've got a D-brand skin underneath, so that should still be fine. This is an Apple logo. This was not there in the other keyboard folio, so there you go. And just as a comparison, I'll just show you this is the rather beaten up by now Smart Keyboard Folio, side by side with the Magic Keyboard, as you can see. So I will use this product for a few days, weeks, whatever it takes, and then I'll report back just to see how my real world user experience has been using this. Thanks for watching, and if you like this content and would like to see an update on this product, please consider subscribing.